Hey guys, today I have here a special package from Diansheng. So there was like this competition they had like a couple, might have been about a month ago at this point, and like basically, they generated 5 scrambles, and you had to just like submit your times that you got on that, and you can like down solve and practice the scrambles as much as you wanted. And I believe I got third in that competition. Aiden obviously he got like they got like a sub 5 average, I believe, and then second place got like a 13 average or so, some like Chinese guy, and then I got like a 14, like either low 14 or mid 14 average or something like that. So yeah, and so in here should be like the prize. They said like the top 3 finishers would get like some sort of award and podium, and they also said they included like an extra Diansheng FTO, so that's really nice. That would be my 4th free Diansheng FTO at this point. So yeah, let's open it. I don't know if it's a primary or black internals, so I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's a very heavy duty package they got. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on. This is insane. What the heck? Okay, so firstly, I see this. Looks like it's black plastic, so I guess I think that's my 4th black plastic one. Wait, let me think. No, 3rd black plastic one. I have 3 black plastic, Diansheng FTOs, and 1 primary one, so this would be my 4th one, yes. Let's see what this is about. I'm pretty sure this is standard. I don't think they did anything to it, but yeah, it's always cool to have a spare Diansheng FTO to solve when all the other ones pop. So, oh my goodness, this is kind of hard to open. Okay, I might just, yeah, no, why not? Let's open it. Okay, obviously, there's their Galaxy. Oh, primary. Wait a minute, I missed that. Wait, that's exciting. This is my 2nd primary one. I guess the picture doesn't match what is actually inside, so that's interesting. Yeah, look at that. Comes with this extra set of springs, and wow, this is my first unmodded primary one. Okay, it's a bit tight, of course, but turns really nicely, obviously. I might put the LBL kit inside, so I'll have, yeah, this is actually really nice. Okay. Okay, so next, let's see what we have. I'm trying to figure out how best to open this. I don't want to damage this. Okay, so this appears to be some sort of certificate, so that's really exciting. Wow, that's so fancy. It says certificate honorary. And, let's see what's inside. They really went all out for this. Like, it's insane. Okay. So, hereby certifies that Chris Choi won the 3rd place at the Diansheng Galaxy Cup FTO contest. Usually podiums have like the average that I got, but here it looks like it doesn't. But yeah, I mean, I posted the video on my channel so you guys can see that. This is actually pretty fancy. Yeah, I didn't expect them to give me something like this. Yeah, and of course they write this is probably when they printed this, so yeah, or like when the competition ended. I don't remember exactly when. Yeah, I'm gonna like have this up somewhere. This is like really nice, you know, because I love FTO so much, so it's really cool. Okay. Next inside here we have wait, hold on. Is this another FTO I see? What is this? Wait a minute. What is this? Oh, just some unit number probably. It looks like an FTO box from the outside, but it's kind of big. Oh my god! What? This is like their Terraminx or something, their Gigaminx. Or is it a... Wait, hold on, no, it could be the Killminx. No way! Oh my god, I wanted to get this so badly, but... Wait, they sent it to me for free? What? Wait a minute, wait, that's insane, what the heck? Wait, oh my god, I'm so excited. I shouldn't be this excited for a non-FTO puzzle, but holy crap. Is it the primary one as well? Because I really wanted the primary one. Oh my god, what the heck? I was like, no way, when I saw like another puzzle. Wait, this is actually so exciting. Wow. Yeah, I really wanted to get I wanted to get into Killminx, and I purposely didn't bring my Shangshao one. I left that at home. Well, yeah, so by the way, I'm in a new location. This is like my new house, new apartment that I'm staying at while I do my PhD. I moved in about so I moved in last Saturday, so it's been about like 4 or 5 days since I moved in, and yeah, so like I brought most of my mains. I think the only mains I didn't bring, I don't think I brought my mirror blocks and the Shangshao Killminx, because you know I knew I was probably gonna get the Diansheng once I got here, but I did not expect them to give it to me for free in this package. So that's really nice. Let's open this. Oh my god, that is so exciting. Yeah, I was like prepared to buy it on you know, on the retailers and stuff, but I guess I don't have to do that. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. Oops. I was so excited for this puzzle, actually. Okay, some tutorial, and oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, yeah, so this is black plastic, obviously, right? But that's completely fine. That is amazing. I really want to get better at this, and yeah, like this is like one of the events that I definitely support being added after FTO, of course, but nonetheless, it's a really fun event. That is so nice. Wow. Shades are really nice. Yeah, okay. That's really cool. Okay, what else do they have for me in here? I'll have this sitting right there, maybe. There. Oh, yeah, I'll have this one as well. So the YouTube auto-generated thumbnail can do its thing. Okay, so... Okay, let's see. So there's like this gigantic thing. I assume this is like the award. I have to open this somehow. Oh my god, this is quite the box, huh? Okay, I'm done with this box. Move it there. Okay. Wow, what could this be? Oh my goodness! What the heck? This is the trophy. Holy shorts. Oh my goodness, what the heck? It's so heavy, oh my god. It's like made of glass or something. I'm like scared of my ring scratching this thing, but holy, look at that. Wow, so it says, so hereby certifies that Chris Choi won. So it's like the same text as the certificate that was given earlier. But wow, I can't believe what the heck? That's crazy. I really wonder if the first and second place, if Aiden and like the other dude that I don't know how to read Chinese, so I don't know his name. But I really wonder if they. Like what they got, if they got this, and in addition to other things, if they also got the FTO and the Killminx. Yeah, I don't know how to get in contact with the guy, the second place person, but Aiden now, obviously I can talk with him in Discord. But this is crazy, holy. Oh my god, thank you so much, Diansheng, for sending me all this. I don't know if I was worthy to receive all this, but I really appreciate it. You know what they texted me like a couple days ago before they shipped this out. They actually said that they're like, hey, let us know if you get the package. Like, make sure to send us a picture of you with a trophy and stuff. But also, we included a free FTO because we know you're really active in the FTO. Like you're really active with FTO, haha, or something like that. It was like really funny, but yeah, but that's completely true. I've been really active in the FTO community for quite a while now, and really happy that they're finally recognizing my growth and like my passion for this event. So yeah, and I like Diansheng easily. Like ever since they even first announced this FTO, they're easily my favorite like cubing company. They like the fact that they're the first to actually make like a really like a modern magnetized version of the FTO, as well as also doing that for the Killminks as well. I don't think there are any other mass-produced magnetic decent ones until Diansheng came out with it. So yeah, they're really doing a lot for these communities. Yeah, look at that. So yes, in sum, we have this gigantic trophy thing. We have the this, and we also have this certificate. There, maybe I'll do it like that. All right, that's his thumbnail right there. But yeah, thanks for watching this very mysterious unboxing. I really did not know what to expect. Obviously, I knew the trophy and the certificate were in there, but yeah, I had no idea how they were gonna look like. I didn't even know they're gonna send the Killminks. So yeah, this is like honestly really amazing, and I've been taking a bit of a break from cubing in general. Obviously, the only event I do these days, anyways, is FTO. But I was just going to orientation, like meeting a bunch of people. Like the other physics PhDs that are coming, and yeah, like I've been generally having a lot of fun. But obviously, I know that FTO is when I can have the most fun. And earlier today, actually, I got a PB average of 5. It was like 15.86, I believe, which is third in the world. That somehow beats Tyler. So yeah, really happy with that. But yeah, I'm really excited for the future prospects of this event and my improvement in it.